Hey guys, it's Mas. Welcome back to our channel. So we took the Lexus to AutoZone and the battery tested bad, so we're going to go ahead and replace that battery today with a high performance battery, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is the old battery in the car. It's currently in the car right now, and we're going to go ahead and take everything off and replace it.
We're going to go ahead and replace it with this Odyssey high performance battery. It's really good if you have a lot of devices running off, like amplifiers, door lights, LED lights, if you're running extra power, anything electrical. If you need a little extra demand, it's always good to go performance battery. And these are gel, so inside these things are gel, some kind of gel material that just lasts forever. And so this is a much higher performing battery as far as overall cranking amps and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go ahead. And actually Mas is gonna do this, so let's watch her. You ready to change this battery, bro? So that's a number 10 wrench. And yeah, just go ahead and loose it off. And go ahead and do the other side real quick. I know there's like a very specific order that you have to do it in and put it back on. Negative first, positive first, I'm not sure. We're just trying not to get shocked here.
So much for me doing.
No, I just need to take it off.
Yep.
That, we'll cover these real quick. No, you just have to jiggle it back and forth until it comes out.
Okay. Got it? That thing all the way. How much? Baby, you want this open already?
So it's the old funky messed up one. Alright, so I'm gonna put this
new battery.
Who's this guy?
The wheel stuck on it.
So this has become a video of you changing the battery.
No, it's because those clips.
Whatever, babe. And then when you took the clips out, you didn't even let me put the new battery in.
Not yet. That's okay.
You just need a cameraman, that's all. So basically this is the oil filter right here.
And this is the drain plug. So let's go ahead and drain the oil. Right there, go for it. Put some muscle in it, don't be scared.
I literally don't have muscle to put in it. Okay. I feel like I'm sliding.
Yeah, pull it. Go for it.
Ow. Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Is it loose?
Yeah.
Alright, so be careful. Go ahead and take it off. And then just drain it into the pan. Good job. Watch out, it might be hot.
Oh shit.
You okay?
I'm fine.
Okay, there you go. We're just gonna let it all drain out. Get in the pan.
Yeah, it's in fun.
Okay, perfect. Good job, baby. Look at you.
Fun. Draining the oil.
You got it. It wasn't too hard, huh?
No, it's good.
Alright.
This is a bunch of monkeys that we found at Stater Brothers, and they were like, please. It really sounded like monkeys, how monkeys, you know, but I know monkey talk. And they were saying, please buy us ice cream. I see you, monkey. You're like hiding. I'm recording all of you at the same time. You're recording me, I'm recording you, he's vlogging the vlogger, babe.
That's funny.
What kind of laughing is that? That's creepy. There's no good in your teeth. Alright, anything else you guys like to say before you be quiet again? Yeah, I already said that. Anything else? No? Here's another monkey. This is a tall monkey, though.
He's a gorilla.
She!
So basically, we're changing the oil filter. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the old one back on. Sorry if you guys can't see it. What you want to do is you don't want to go too tight because it's going to be a freaking giant headache to get it off. So right now what we're doing is I'm just hand tightening it, and I'm just going to tighten it a little bit further with the tool. What's the tool? Tighten it. That's it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put oil in the engine. We did change the oil filter, so it's gonna be 6.6 liters of oil.
Quarts.
6.6 quarts.
Quarts.
Quarts. That's what I said.
A little more. Boom, perfect, solid. We're solid. That's it.
Good?
Yep, perfect.
Okay.
Good job, babe.
Thank you, babe.
You did a
Thanks
great
so
job.
much.
It's a team effort, though. Okay, we make things happen as a team.
Wait.
Wipe it down. You don't really see nothing.
Mm-hmm.
So if you see,
It's beautiful.
looks like we're a little bit over or something.
A little bit over?
Yeah, we're pretty full.
No, it's fine. 6.6, right?
We care about the environment.
Yes, we do.
Scoot back.
No?
That's a lot of oil. And we're done.
Go. No, go on. All right.
Nice. Sounds way better. It's not making that weird clicking noise. Hold on, babe. Give me a little bit of rev action. One more, all the way up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's ready. Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Alright, we're ready. So that's it. Oil change, battery change. When we get home, we'll do this little logo light for you guys. And yeah, we're not professional, but we try. So thanks for watching, and rocking and rolling. Later, guys.